Hello, I'm going to show you how I transformed this old window frame. I started off by cutting a piece of cardboard the same size as my window, and then I took this print from Decoupage Central, took a paintbrush and a little bit of water and went around the edges and tore off the edging of the paper. Then I Mod Podged, the print onto the cardboard. And here I'm taking some Waverly plaster with my stenciling brush and just layering different colors onto the cardboard. I started off with the plaster. Now I'm using Waverly cashew. I'll also use some hazelnut, some truffle, some ink, and some moss. And the key to this is just to offload your brush once you get the paint on it, so you're not using too much paint. Kind of similar to stenciling. And then just keep swirling that paint and layering. It does take a little bit of time to achieve the look that you're going for. And I chose these colors because they're the same as what's in my print. And I wanted this to look like one big picture. So I just keep adding different colors, blending and layering to achieve the look I'm going for. I will post a link to the A3 Santa that's in stock. I do have another window that I want to do, so I think I'll be ordering him today. The key is just to keep layering and blending. I think that side is probably good enough for now. You could sit there all day and continue blending, but you got to stop at some point. I did end up drying a little bit of this too, so the colors just wouldn't bleed as much. And now, after I got all that done, I'm taking my stamp from, actually I got this at Goodwill, but they have one similar at Hobby Lobby, and this just has some wording on it. My print had some wording on it, so I thought it would look really cool to add these onto it, so it looks like one big print. And now I'm just taking my toothbrush and I'm doing the splatter technique. Excuse me. Again, because my print had a little bit of splatter, I wanted it to look like it was one big piece. Now I'm taking that cardboard and I'm stapling it onto the back of my frame. And here I'm adding some greenery, a little bit of Spanish moss. And then I'm going to add some berries from a few picks from Hobby Lobby. These had a little bit of snow on them, so I thought they would be perfect. Then I also added a little bit of gold. I'm doing the same thing on the other side. And I also added a few pine cones in there as well. Now I'm taking some ticking fabric and I'm going to make a little bow. I'm going to put it onto the one side of the frame here with a gold button. And that's it. It's all finished. Thanks so much for watching.